come on up just like one more step, and I'm gonna hand you your weapon, and then we're gonna watch you catch a trout.
Sweet.
So point your one pointer finger, you can slide your hand up just a little bit more, and then bink. Got that?
Okay.
And then just keeping that wrist locked. We're gonna drive, our first cast, we're gonna try to aim towards the outside. So elevate your rod just a little bit, and then just a little drive across, just a nice straight line.
It's like a little, I keep my finger.
Yeah,
keep the
keeping your
finger.
finger on that. We're gonna keep it on there until we have a fish on the rod. So we're just gonna keep it in one place.
Let's go like a...
Yep, and then moving your rod towards the left. And we'll play around
So
it. And
I
we'll,
follow the flag.
Oh.
managing slack is the term rather than creating tension. That's good, get ready. Rod's moving towards left.
Set.
Set. Yeah, you got him, buddy.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, dude.
Oh
Okay, now let go of that line, and then we'll start slowly reeling. And then if you feel a big yank, we're gonna stop reeling for a second. So we're gonna stop there. You can put more bend in that rod too, so you can pull up pretty hard. See how now he's trying to fight you a little bit? And then we're gonna stop reeling there. We're not gonna reel it anymore because we wanna leave some line out to land it. Do a big lift up and over towards me. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, straight back. So we're gonna pull off a little bit of line here.
All right.
Now we lift him up. If we reel it too much, then when we lift up, there's, you know, he's hanging in the air. So we leave a little bit of line out.
All right, and that is a rainbow, not a smolt, right?
That is a rainbow, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little rainbow.
He's not the biggest. He's not a Derby winner, but he's a beautiful fish.
Anthony's first fish on the Deschutes.
It's a cool looking guy.
Yeah, pretty little rainbow. Ooh, there's a fish. Yeah, right in front of that rock.
Okay.
Is he off? He's off.
There. Yeah, he's off. So pull off another big strip of line. We're going to add our line back. Yeah.
Ooh.
As soon as it touches down, especially when it's popping up here, there's a pretty good chance that fish is going to eat it right away.
Set.
Oh yeah, that's a better one.
There you go.
Yeah, just keeping that rod bent, keeping it up nice and high.
Keep tension.
Okay. Let go.
Oh, nicer fish.
So let go of that handle there, just because he's going to try to take off. So we want to make sure he can take some line off the reel. You're doing great, man. Then kind of steering the rod over towards your dad here.
There we go.
Got it.
And the net.
That's a nice trout. Yeah, that's a more legitimate Deschutes trout right there.
Yeah.
We've started with some smalls.
Yeah.
We're working up. They're
That's
getting
more
bigger.
of like a
That's a teenager.
Yeah.
teenage trout.
You have your camera going?
I do have my camera going. Anthony, hold that fish up for us to see.
So you can reach in. You can just
Yeah, get your hands wet.
Yeah, get your hands kind of wet first. And just don't squeeze. Just cradle him and pick him right up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for a couple seconds. There you go. All right, now let him go. And off he goes.
Hell yeah, man. That's a cool one. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's kind of a trip. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
That's a good spot. Oh, set.
You got him. You got him.
Is he on?
Yeah, he's still on. So we're gonna reel up just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. I want to show you something. See how we got that line.
Oh, there's one.
Keep that out of the tip.
I got my first fish of the day.
Swinging back towards me.
Oh!
Take one step forward here. Let that come through for a second.
Set.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh no, that's a rock.
Yeah, that happens too.
Limb con, actually. So here, I'll help you get that out of there. Come on up just a couple steps while we get this out.
Oh, you got a stick. First stick fish. Set. 80% of fishing, Anthony, is being where the fish are. And Ben's got you where fish are. That's a really good drift. Set.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I need to stop saying set.
Yeah.
Woo!
You're doing great, man. Just reeling in a little bit. Okay. Universe. Yeah, dude. That's a great little dude. Look how beautiful
Yeah.
he is. He's got some little spots on his cheek too.
Hey, Anthony, put that fish back in the net for a second. I'm going to have Ben give an education. How can you tell a wild fish from a hatchery fish, Ben?
So, we do have hatchery steelhead smolt in the river right now. See this little fin right here? We call that the legitimizer. No, wild fish will have this fin. It's called the adipose fin. And a hatchery fish will not have that.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, Ben takes almost a swim.
And then we're going to stop going right there. So we're going to just hang out here. That was a slick rock.
Nice fish.
Nice.
There he is. Now reaction time's getting better.
I know, that was good too. I like that whack.
Hoo hoo hoo. Dry dropper. Sweet. Oh-ho!
Bigger fish in here are gonna go ripping.
Oh, look at the color. Oh man, that's a nice fish.
We're gonna stop reeling right there. Swing your rod over towards me into this inside. Keep going.
Oh!
Wow, what a fish.
All right.
Give him a turn around, a hole on 8. Keep going, keep going.
What do you think that one is? Is that 16?
Yeah. I'm gonna give him a little bit of water here.
Yeah.
15.
15. Nicely done, Anthony. Every time I looked up, Anthony was on another fish.
I know, for a while there, it was like, wait, it was like fish on, fish off, fish on, fish off. We finally landed a nice one that was probably 13.
Okay.
I was like, we'll name him Redemption.
Redemption.
Yeah.
Oh ho ho ho.
Another one? Crushing the game.
Think big white fish.
Big white fish?
I think so.
Dogging you like crazy.
Yep. Find the rocks around me. There's a little bit of head shaking.
Oh yeah, there's a little light. Maybe you got a butter belly. If you want a hand landing it, you just let me know.
I'm just trying to find a spot where I've got good footing. See if I can get him up above me here. There we go. No, that's a big trout.
Oh nice, that is a good one.
That's a big trout. See if I can get him over
Where
here.
all my friends were at. Holy shit, man. Wow. You got it?
Yeah. Oh, come on, get in there. Where'd he go? Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay.
Whoa.
Put him in there. Let me measure him. That's a nice fish.
That's a really nice fish. Wow. Holy cow, Mike. Wow.
That's a 17, yeah. Double! Was a double.
You got one?
I got 2.
You got 2.
It was. I think it's only a single now.
Unreal.
Nope, still got the double on.
What? Double again.
Little guy. Bigger guy.
That's so cool. That's a pretty nice. The little guy up top's like, oh my god!
I know.
What is happening?
Another fat fish, man.
That's a great one.
Little guy. All right, another pretty fish.
You got to film it.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, yes. That's a nice fish.
Stunner. That's a great trout, dude. That's a good one. That's a really good one.
All right, hold him up, Anthony. All right, nice fish. All right. All right, shall we call it good, Ben? Is it?
One more cast.
Okay.
One more cast.
I don't know.
One more cast. I mean, we're undefeated at that hole right there. Maybe there's like 4 lines. Maybe he's got like one more friend.
Okay.
Okay, 2 more casts. 2 more casts. We've got it where there's one there.
See, this is the problem you get into, Anthony. It's like 1 more cast, 3 more casts,
One last cast.
10 more casts.
Actually, the last cast. We promise.
Oh, that's a nice spot.
See, we got greedy. We got greedy. We got greedy. Okay, we're calling it. We're calling it off. Dude. That was great. No, right back at you. It's all you.